Tapes are one of those things that look simple until you actually need them to survive somewhere hot. We'll start on the cool side of the thermometer, the stuff you see everywhere, but probably shouldn't use everywhere. Here's the cold area stuff. You got generic PVC tape, 3M Super 33 Plus PVC tape, and Tesa Fleece tape. As you can tell, nothing in this group is really made for under the hood, and definitely not an engine harness. Those generic PVC tapes, you might as well throw all that away. That's completely useless in the automotive world. The 3M Super 33 Plus tape is probably the best PVC tape ever made. It still falls short for like engine harness work. And the Tesa Fleece tape, although not for engine harnesses and probably not under the hood anywhere, is actually designed to be super quiet for interior harnesses. That's where it belongs. You step up a level and you get PET cloth with acrylic adhesives. That's where underhood harnesses start. It doesn't stretch, it resists oil, and it survives real engine bay heat. Aluminum tape moves you into the reflective range. This Yong 9533 PET tape is surprisingly good. This rivals the Tesa tape that we're going to see in a minute. This survives 125°C, no problem. The Tesa 51036 PET tape, 150°C. This stuff's fantastic. This is your go-to right here. Use this for everything in the engine bay. This is your minimum spec, basically. .3M's 425 aluminum foil tape is a fantastic tape. Acrylic, stable to 149°C adhesive. This stuff is ready to party. In our last batch, the Hot Boys. This is what you bring out when nothing else works. The Polyimide and the gold reflective fiberglass. This is what stops all the heat. These are Aerospace-Level materials. Polyimide's been around for a long time. You don't see it too often in the automotive world, but you probably should. Reflective gold type foils with fiberglass backings. This is just built for heat. Lots of it. Mostly because it just reflects everything, so it's kind of impervious.